Hello, I'm Serena Nelson. I've been knitting for about 5 years now. I enjoy knitting for my family and friends and myself. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to knit the knit stitch. Now, for the art of knitting, there are two basic stitches. There's the knit stitch and there's the purl stitch. And all your patterns are made up from that basic stitch. So I'm going to demonstrate the knit stitch. And here I have casted on a number of stitches and I'm ready to begin the knit stitch. So you're going to hold the needle with your stitches on it in your left hand, and you're going to take your empty needle in your right hand. And you're going to take your needle and you're going to insert it through that first stitch. So it's going to come in the front and it's going to go to the right of that stitch. You're going to take your yarn that you're holding in your right hand and you're going to wrap it around your needle. Then you are going to pull your needle back with that yarn wrapped around it and pull it through that stitch. And once you've done that, then you remove that stitch off your needle. And just give it a little bit of a tug and you have just knit your first knit stitch. So once again, you take your right needle, you insert it through that stitch to the right, so now your right needle is in the back. You take your yarn from your right hand, wrap it around that stitch, and then you're going to pull that yarn through and slide it off that needle. And that is all there is to the knit stitch. And you just continue on doing that with every stitch. Once again, I'm Serena, and this was a demonstration on how to knit the knit stitch.